Hi, Rob. Good morning. Could you explain yourself and the company you're working a little bit more?
Hello, good morning. I'm Roque. I'm from Hopu, a Spanish company, and I am data science at Hopu, and also I manage some issues regarding manufacturing. Hopu is a Spanish company that brings urban innovation through key techs such as AI, IoT, and data quality. We engage citizens and decision makers to guarantee that data is understandable by everybody, intuitive and usable.
Okay. And so during the past months, you participated to the AMable project. Could you explain a bit more about the specific application you are working on?
Hopu allows his customer to adapt the device according to their needs, which involve the design and manufacture of custom parts. The device requires enclosure for the sensor that protect them from environmental conditions while allowing them to take measurements correctly. At AMable, we have focused on the development and manufacture of this package.
Okay. So within AMable, you used additive manufacturing. What did you expect from it?
From this technology, we expect that it will help us to improve the quality of Hopu device through more functional and higher quality parts. It will also make it easier for us to customize our product at a low cost and reduce the manufacturing times.
That sounds like a challenge. Did everything go as expected?
The challenge at the beginning was to obtain high quality enclosure, which implied a complete design that meet the operating requirement of the sensor, and at the same time protect them from weather conditions. Some of these requirements said were not possible to manufacture with traditional technology and required the use of additive manufacturing. It was also essential to objectively measure the performance of the sensor using this enclosure to justify the designer's choosing. To do this, it was essential to carry out simulation to obtain precise data of how variables such as temperature of airflow behave in the designer's parts.
Okay, nice. And so within the AMable project, you could make use of several services. Can you explain a bit which service you choose and why?
We choose all those services that we thought will help us to improve our knowledge of additive manufacturing, and thus help us to improve our design and the quality of the manufactured parts. In particular, we choose implementation roadmap design, precision support for EM, design for EM, modeling and simulation, industrialization, and post-processing. The simulation service was especially important for us, as this type of service requires the support of very qualified staff.
Okay. And how did the AMable support help you with all of this?
AMable has helped so far mainly through our service provider, Undo Prototipos, a Spanish company specialized in CAD design, additive manufacturing, who have redesigned a large number of sensor enclosure, improving the functionality in the design and manufacturing some small batches with high quality through additive manufacturing. In addition, through AMable service, we have received support from experts in CAD design, simulation, and additive manufacturing that have helped us to improve our knowledge of this technology.
Okay. Now we are coming close to the end of the project. Do you have an idea on when your product will become available on the market?
Since our experience has consisted in introduce an improvement in an already existing product, our product is already available in the market.
Okay. And if you look back now to the project, how has the experience with AMable been like?
For Hopu, AMable has been a great opportunity to access to very valuable resources, such as support from specialists in additive manufacturing. And this experiment has been a real improvement in the manufacturing quality of our products. It has certainly been a great experience, which has had a great positive impact in our company.
Okay, sounds very nice. Thank you very much for the nice story, Roke. And I will wish you all the best with your future projects.
Thank you, Simon.